Hi, this is Sarah, and I'm here to show you today how you can make hundreds of social media posts with one click in Canva. All you need is ChatGPT and Canva. You don't need a pro version of Canva, even a free version works perfect. You need a laptop or PC for this purpose because bulk function doesn't work in mobile phone. Let's not waste your time and start learning.
First, you need to open Canva and press at the home button. And in the search bar, you need to write down quote video. You will see many templates here. Some of them are free and some of them are for pro version. The free version of Canva works perfect for creating multiple social media posts. Select any template you want and click at customize this template button. Now here you can make some edits of your choice. You can see the templates I've got here. You can change the background picture, the colors, font color and other things. You can add elements like graphics and photos from elements button. You can use this quotes template for any kind of social media posts, like if your channel is about health. It could be health tips, beauty tips, and anything you want. You can make as many changes as you want until you like it. Once you're happy, then comes the next step. So this is my template after minimum changes. Now the next step is open ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write a table of 100 quotes about anything you want in Excel, downloadable. I have written here positive attitude. You can ask anything, like any of your niche. ChatGPT will give you a table of 100 quotes. Click on it and copy all the text of this table, all 100 quotes. Now go back to Canva and click at Bulk Create. You will see Enter Data Manually option here. Click it and you will see this table. Paste the data you copied from Excel sheet here. Now click at Done. Now select the quote text on your template and here on left side click at Connect Data. You can see in name section is the serial number and in the email section you can see the quotes which we copied from the Excel sheet which we took from ChatGPT. Now I'm going to connect the quote in my template with email with the quotes are. Once you click it, now click at generate 100 designs and you will see 100 designs are just generated. It's in my project, so I'll go to my project and click on this one which I just created and you can see all 100 quotes are just generated. Let me show you. So here they are. You can post them one by one on your social media platforms in YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and any other social media platforms you're using. You can also make changes at this point, like if you want to change font or anything, background, you can just change here individually. Now to download these codes, go to the share button on right side and click. I won't recommend downloading it in 4K even if you're pro version because as you know TikTok doesn't accept 4K video. And you can see from here you need to click on download pages as separate files. So all these 100 codes are downloaded separately. From here, you can also choose the page numbers you need to download. Also tick the box of Save Download Settings. So once it's downloaded in your PC, you can copy them in your mobile phone and upload on your social media platforms or directly from your laptop.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck for your making money journey. Look after yourself and other people around you, and also remember me in your prayers. Bye.